What's going on, everybody? Kiki's Customs here again. The other day I was riding my mini pit bike around and I filled it up with gas. So I was using a little 1 gallon gas tank. So I filled it up with gas to the 1 gallon mark, but I looked at the pump and it said I filled it up more than 1 gallon. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up this 5 gallon gas tank that I have, fill it up in this truck and see if the gas stations are really stealing from us. So we got our 5 gallon here. It's nice and clean. You wanna make sure it's really clean for this experiment because science.
Yes, science!
Now we're gonna see how much the gas here in California is. It used to be $6.50, so I think $5 is pretty good. What about you? I don't know. We're gonna get the most expensive gas here. Just kidding, what do you think, I am rich? YouTube doesn't pay me. Now here there's this thing where if you put it on the first notch, it saves you gas because there's not a lot of stuff, not a lot of fumes coming up. You put on the second notch, it does, I don't know, but we're gonna put on the first notch just because.
Where'd you learn
Roll the
that from?
TikTok.
Instead of pulling the pump all the way, pull it halfway. You'll get 5% more gas in the car.
Check it out. We're at 5 gallons, pretty much exactly. And if you look at the pump, it says 5.1. 5.1. We're going something different? Huh? We're doing a tutorial. Huh? We're doing a funny tutorial for YouTube. Right now, the gas people are watching us. We know the big secret. They're trying to hide from us, so we gotta be quick. Not spilling. This part isn't as scientific, you know. You stick it in the hole, please.
I'm good at this. Gosh.
You slap it first, stick it in. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents.
How much does your truck take?
It says it takes 21 gallons, so that should give us enough baseline data to become scientists. Have any left in there? No, we're good. Might just fast forward through this because it's going to be the same thing over and over. Let's stick it on the low level. Let's try actually just do the high level, see if it wastes more gas. Science. Right there on the line, almost. Boom. It's at 5.08 now. Interesting. But it's still overcharging us. Okay, now we're gonna put it back in the truck. Put it in there. So we're gonna do this test too. So we're gonna put the gas pump on the first notch where it has a low pressure and then see what the results are of that compared to putting it on the high pressure. Right there on the line again. Boom. What does it say? 5.1. Interesting. Do you want to be in the YouTube video? Yeah. We're doing a test where we fill this thing up with 5 gallons exactly, but the pump says 5.1. What do you think? Do you think they're taking more money from us? We don't know. I don't know. Maybe they're taking money from us. We don't know. What do you guys think? Drop a comment. Let me know if you think they're actually taking money from us or not. So I know that they do test these pumps. These whole covers come off. And they have guys that come out and service them. They got little gauges and everything. Maybe it's like a claw machine. You know how they rig it?
That job falls to Chris Chamberlain.
We're looking for any of the visible leaks around the meters.
So now we're going to do another high pressure test on this and see what results we yield. I don't know. Some people say if you put it on the low setting that you save gas, but some people say if you put it on the high one that there's more vapors and it counts for extra vapors that aren't there. I haven't noticed a difference yet. On the high pressure we get 5.09. But on the low pressure, we got a consistent 5.1 something. So it might be better to fill it up on the fast setting too. It'll save you time, maybe a little bit of money. But regardless, they're still taking extra money from you. It's always the fun part, sticking it in. That's a lot of gas, man. And the results are in. Test complete. Let's go check the data. 9.5. We put 20 gallons into the truck. but the pump says we put 20.379 in there. Okay, so we got 20 gallons in the car, but it charges for 20.379. So we're gonna see how much that extra 379 costs. 379, multiply it by how much the gas costs, which is $5.99. They're charging you an extra $1.93 for every 20 gallons you're putting in there. Divide that by 20. So it's charging you an extra dime. Ta-da! Was this video pointless? Probably, but I just wanted to show you that they're charging a little bit extra, you know. Every day you gotta fill up your gas tank, right? So they're always gonna be charging a little bit extra. I don't know what to do with that knowledge, but if you guys like what you see, we got some more funny stuff and better stuff on my channel, so hit that subscribe. Give me a like if you liked it or dislike it. I really don't care, but I will see you guys next time. We out. Woo!